Your hair is stubborn and hard, if your hair is thinning out, and if your hair seems difficult to manage, then this is the treatment you need. In this video, I'll be sharing with you this amazing DIY deep conditioner that will moisturize, strengthen, and prevent hair fall. This DIY deep conditioner was made from two amazing ingredients that help hair growth and promotes moisture for hair. Before we continue, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video, and also give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below in the comment section. Thank you. The first ingredient for this deep conditioner is oatmeal. You can feel free to use any kind of oats you have, but I'll be using whole oats for this video. The benefits of oats for the hair are just so numerous and very, very amazing. Oats are rich in fiber, zinc, iron, omega-6 fatty acids, and polyunsaturated fatty acids that stimulate hair growth and will make your hair thick and healthy. Oatmeal is extremely moisturizing because it contains hair-loving B vitamins. Your hair loves vitamin B, and oatmeal is the perfect ingredient for that. Vitamin B acts as humectants and also penetrates the cortex of your hair. The second benefit of oats gel is that it fixes damaged hair. It contributes to thickening and strengthening of your hair. The polysaccharide glucan, beta-glucan contained in oatmeal makes your hair feel silky and soft. It's an excellent film former, which is great especially for afro texture and coily kinky hair. Oatmeal also adds shine to the hair. The next ingredient for this hair mask is moringa powder. Vitamin A and B in moringa promotes hair growth. Iron present in moringa prevents hair loss. Zinc present in moringa promotes healthy hair follicles. The essential amino acids in moringa nourishes the hair strands. Vitamin C and E in moringa fights oxidative stress. Omega-3 in moringa nourishes the hair. Now you combine both ingredients together and bring to a boil. Combining these two ingredients for this hair mask is a beautiful idea, as both nourish the hair with the necessary nutrients for hair growth. You boil both ingredients for a minimum of 5 minutes and a maximum of 10 minutes. Actually, while I was boiling, I overboiled, I would say, because it got boiled to a point that the water dried out, and that's not good. Once your oat gel is ready, you pour into a separate bowl and allow it to cool for like 2 minutes, after which you proceed to sieving, because it's best to sieve when it's still hot. That way it gets to come out through whatever you're sieving with. So for sieving, I'll place my stocking cap over my cup and I'm going to pour in the oat gel into this to sieve, so as not to have any residue of the oats or particles from your moringa powder stuck in your gel. Combining both ingredients for this hair mask is a beautiful idea, as both ingredients help to nourish the hair with the necessary nutrients for hair growth and also for moisturizing the hair. So in another video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys another recipe on how to use moringa and oatmeal for your hair. Now, moringa and oatmeal are very, very essential for natural hair growth journey. So if you've not started using them just yet, please ensure to add them to your recipes you use for your natural hair. So I'm just going to continue sieving so as to remove all of the oats gel from this. Now, after having your final products, the final gel, which is our perfect deep conditioning hair mask, I'm going to add it onto a freshly washed hair. If you have an applicator bottle, you could go ahead to pour this into an applicator bottle before adding it onto your hair for easy application. But if you don't, you might as well just do what I am doing right now. you want to ensure that this gets to the roots of your hair and also sits very well on the strands of your hair as well. This could get a bit messy, and that's why I said if you have an applicator bottle, it would be preferable for you to use an applicator bottle to apply this to your hair instead of using your hands to pack it onto your hair. But anyways, let's continue the application process. Now, if while applying this to your hands get into any knots, don't pull, just gently unravel the knots so as to save your hair from breakage. So if you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button so you know when a video goes up, and do well to hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I put up a new video. New content like this are going to be coming up weekly all through the year, so please do well to not miss out on any of my DIY videos for hair growth and also hair care. So it's advised you work in sections so as to get a deep conditioner to every section of your hair. So you gently work your way through every section of your hair, and just like I mentioned earlier, if you get into any knots while applying this to your hair, gently unravel the knots and not pull the knots to avoid breakage. And so at this point, I began to notice the curls popping on my hair, like the oats was giving my hair some curl definitions, and I was so loving it. So you gently apply some more onto your scalp and also your edges, not forgetting your edges. And I'm just going to do a quick detangling using my brush. And then I went ahead to put this into a twist to allow me work on the other sections of my hair. And this was exactly when I was done applying the deep conditioner to every section of my hair. You can see how moisturized my hair is looking. My hair was feeling so soft and really detangled, and I was so loving how my hair was looking. And I went ahead to use a plastic cap over this, and I left it for 30 minutes. You could leave it for more, but please not leave it for more than 30 minutes or carry this as a watch and go, as you're going to experience tangle at the end of the day, which could lead to breakage. So please do not carry this as a wash and go, even if your curls get more defined than mine, but please do not carry this for more than that. And so this was exactly 30 minutes after application. I'm just going to go ahead to wash this from off my hair, and I'm going to be back to show you guys what my hair looks like. So this was my hair after washing off the conditioner. My hair was feeling really soft and moisturized, so hydrated. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, leave a comment down below in the comment section, and hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel, as more DIY videos like this are going to be shared weekly here on my channel. So after washing my hair, I went ahead to style my hair in some nice bantu knots. Thank you once again for watching this video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.